Hello student, today we will start a new chapter from your Beehive book. This is the poem actually. A poem. Sometimes, not sometimes, in many countries poem is actually pronounced as poem. And this poem is actually the Bind poem. In this poem we will read a poem about wind and some topics that is and some the masses that the poet want to convey with the help of the word wind. Students, in this book maximum poems are actually metaphorical poem which has a hidden meaning inside it, which does not say anything directly, but it talks about something else, but actually it gives you masses, it gives you some other masses of real life. Before we start, let's read, let's introduce the poem. The wind blows strongly and causes a lot of destruction. How can we make friends with it? Here we will talk about a wind which is a very heavy blowing wind. The wind blows strongly, strong blowing wind, which is known as a storm. So here in this poem we will read about a stormy wind, and actually the wind that cause hurricanes, stormy winds. So when wind blows strongly, it can cause a lot of destruction, which you are already aware of, and can be really make friends with it. That's what you have to understand. So here, students, it means to say that wind, the strong blowing wind, is actually referring to a tough situation, to a difficult situation, to a difficult situation. And making friends with it means to say that just getting in ease with the situation. As this is a metaphorical poem, this has in a way the poet will try to explain you something else by giving you the example of something else. So in that way, the poet, with the example of wind, it is talking to you about tough situation, the difficult phase, and how can we handle it, how can we make friends with it. Means how we can convert that difficult phase as a favorable phase for us. That's what you have to read about in this poem.